Alexa, stop. Alright, time to feed the puppers. There you go, Koba. Say thank you, Mommy. Now what do? You pray. Say thank you for my food. Amen. Good morning. I just had to run to Sprouts because I was out of like everything possibly needed for breakfast, and I'm also making a vegan corn chowder soup tonight. I went to Sprouts and I just want to show you guys what I got. I got two of, oh, I got the wrong flavor. Okay, I got two of these Good Belly drinks. They're my favorite and I have them in the morning. Got my favorite coffee creamer, and then I literally was so hungry and I needed to take one of these. So I got the Good Belly little probiotic shots. They just look like this. And like I was trying to say before the giant plane came, I'm going to be making a vegan corn chowder tonight. So I needed this dairy-free heavy whipping cream. So I picked that up at Sprouts as well. And we went to you guys, it is so freaking cold. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
55 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Hope
you're having a good weekend, Suzette.
Thanks, Queen. This looks crazy because I don't really need to put it on my forehead since I don't really have anything on my forehead, surprisingly. I'm going to show you guys my like folding laundry hack right now. Look how sad. Over here I had all these disposables. They all fell, so I have to tape them. Like all this tape I wasted, I guess. You take your pile of clothes and you put them on your bed. And now you sort through each category. So I'm pulling out a sock. A sock, I put it on the side of my bed. These are towelettes that I use for my face. So this is like a bathroom, so I put it over here. This is a t-shirt. I hang my t-shirts, so I throw them in a different section of the bed. This is what your bed should look like. Everything's out in piles. So now it's easy for you to just hang everything at a time or put them over there. I need a new dresser that is so bad they literally do not close. Doggy cam. Koba, show them your underbite. Show them your underbite, Popwatch. You can see his underbite. He's so cute. He's so sweet. Merp. Okay, so I already diced up the onion, the bell pepper, and this is not green onion, this is celery, and then the potatoes. There's 4 people in my family, so I kind of did like a potato for everyone. I have frozen corn, I have 2 bags, vegetable broth, and then you needed thyme, Himalayan salt, black pepper, and chili powder. This is my little tripod, the water jug. I am following a recipe off Pinterest. I will leave it in the description down below. I've never even made this before, so I'm hoping it turns out good. First, gonna go with a little bit of paprika because I love paprika. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of cumin, like a little bit. Then the recipe calls for sea salt, but I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Some black peppers. And lastly, it says some chili powder. And I'm doing just like a generous amount of everything. I'm kind of gonna go as needed, like I don't want to over salt it or anything. So I'm just gonna keep it kind of mild and then kind of taste test here and there. This is what it looks like with all of the seasonings in. I'm now gonna go ahead and let that sit for a little bit, kind of until the potatoes are softened, till I continue with the next steps. Going to add in this dairy-free whipping cream. Never had this before, but I'm going to add a little bit and see what it does. 3. And I just did this assignment here, and I was actually on FaceTime with Cole, and we did this assignment together because we have this class together. It's for business. It's called the claim letter. So basically we just write 3 paragraphs, and this is what it looks like. So it was very easy, but the detail is the most important thing. We like worked on that for like an hour and a half, but actually I wanted to pick up my camera because I didn't even get to enjoy my dinner. I had like the worst anxiety for like an hour after making the dinner, and I just couldn't eat, and I'm feeling a lot better now. And it was just so terrible. I am starting to like get my like I'm hungry again, so which is good, and I can go eat. But it was really terrible. It lasted for such a long time, and it was like so weird. I was just super anxious. So I think it's just like with everything I have going on in my life right now, it's like getting to me. So I just needed to like distract my mind because everything is all in your head. So decided to work on our assignment, and I'm so glad that it's done. I turned it in.